Hello everyone, I'm Music Love Game and this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and this way I have removed Digitizer screen, broken screen. This is the Digitizer with a chip. You just with a thermal pistol about 3 minutes with thermal pistol, and then slowly, very slowly and carefully we need to put in the broken way with this or something like this. Unglue the touchscreen digitizer, and this is the screen with a soft leader like this. Clean up and it's ready. Then you just, if you want to replace the screen or to insert new digitizer, it's to remove battery, back house case and backboard and screws, to remove screws, and with this again unclip this house of Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and in the second part you need to unscrew here and a jack in and unclip all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 clips. This is for antenna. To remove motherboard, to see the clip of LCD screen at Digitizer. This is the motherboard. This I have removed. It's the jack in and the speaker. And this is the port for the touchscreen digitizer. Let's insert it. This is it. I have inserted here the digitizer. With the new digitizer is the same. Then you reinsert the motherboard. Thank you for watching.